The wealth that His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua has acquired over the last 2 years is incompatible with his non-legitimate income, into brackets, i.e. Kenya shillings 12 million per annum or thereabouts. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua has acquired the above-mentioned property and wealth using 1. His spouse, 2. Two sons, Kevin Rigathi Gachagua and Rigathi Gachagua, and Keith Ikinu Rigathi, or Keith Ikinu, and other close family members and associates as proxies. We have responded. We have gotten instructions from the company and the directors, and we have responded to Parliament. We have attached the copies of the CR12 that shows since the company was incorporated to date who are the directors of that company. We have provided a bank statement showing that the only sensible transaction is when they provided 70 kgs of poultry feeds for pigs, and they were paid 132,000. Today, that account has only 2,232 shillings and 20 cents. Yet, the framers of that petition, the framers of the charge sheet, are saying Gachagua has used this company to the tune of 12 billion Kenya shillings. We have full instructions from the directors of this company to bring to the attention of the country that this was a petition, this was an impeachment motion that was intended to smear the names of the wife, the second lady, the wife of the DP, Dorcas Rigathi. Dorcas, Her Excellency, joined in June 2022. She was a wife of a member of parliament of Madeira called Rigiji. In 2022, Dorcas was not a wife of the deputy president. The deputy president was a mere member of parliament. The transaction was done by Waiganjo as the sole director. We have attached the CR12. The children joined later. The company, when the company has been in operation, the deputy president was sworn in after the elections of August 2022. On 13th September is when Rigiji became the deputy president. That company has not even transacted any business of 2 shillings. So Kenyans, we have brought that information to the country to show that the movers of the petition were putting a lot of emotional matters to attack the wife of the deputy president. We know very well, under Uhuru Kenyatta, nobody ever attacked the children of the then deputy president. Under Uhuru Kenyatta, nobody ever went to attack the names of the wives of the wife of the deputy president. But in this motion, the attack is purely not on Rigiji. It is about his wife and it's about his children. We will take instructions to get the names of the children of the deputy president expunged from the records of parliament. We will move with speed to get the name of the wife of the deputy president removed from the records, and we shall take further instructions to sue. I know the member of parliament will claim that matters tabled in parliament have privileged protection. We shall seek to remove that privilege so that the family, the wife of His Excellency, the Deputy President, the children of His Excellency, the Deputy President are protected. The wife of the Deputy President is not elected. She was seduced and was married by Rigiji. She's not in this matter. The children of the Deputy President are not elected. They are not born by virtue of an election. They are children by virtue of a marriage relationship.